highly custom made in the dash. Whole dash custom actually. Sparkle seats.
This bit, man. I went to a 20.
Okay. Oh, what you was? 19 or 18?
18.
Oh wow. Yeah, man. Come on. Come on. Let's get the 2 in front.
I thought about it, man, but you know what? The 20s fit it, bro.
Yeah,
the 20s fit it. And it's still,
Yeah.
because I still got sidewall.
Yeah. Got plenty of time.
I got a good sidewall in the back because the car makes a lot of power.
So much power.
It's like 700 wheel horsepower.
Why the hood ain't
What
open?
you got under the hood? I was gonna say,
Yeah,
what the hood
well, because the wind was really whipping, and,
Oh, that-
and my hood goes up
Carbon
way
fiber?
farther than factory, and
Oh.
it's like this close to the windshield.
Is it fiberglass hood or?
No, it's a steel hood,
Okay.
but it's died down now, so I might leave it up. I was gonna go get my keys so you can hear the system in the car.
Eventually.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yes, sir.
You see how close it gets to the windshield, dog? Look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty close.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
Oh,
but I mean,
wow.
it doesn't. It's steel, so it doesn't move much.
That's pretty.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you. I got new headers. I got headers from Ultimate Headers.
Okay.
So it's got the stainless flange, and then they're black. They're coated black, so it'll match a lot of the other shit that engine make a lot better. Yeah.
A nigga could never be in his fake. Fish telling down the block. Gang tattoos all I got. Crippin' never stop.
Get a ride in this beast here.
I'm about to start it up right now, boss.
Get my excitement.
Yeah, I would just say close the gears on the top.
From knowing what happens out there is not my concern. Okay, I got this car, this body, I'm strong in this point right here. This nigga, what's the matter? Check your matter, I'm the shit. Emergency calls, man.
Yeah, that bit feels strong though, boy.
And that's with a transmission that's not super happy.
Why is it that?
We cooked the fluid in it once because we didn't have a trans cooler on it.
Oh Lord.
And it was just running through the radiator. And you know how I drive this car. So it's gotten pretty warm.
Oh man.
See See, like right now, like it should be jumping when I hit the throttle, but it's kind of slipping a little bit.
And what exhaust is on here?
So it's 3-inch, or it's 1 7/8 headers to 3-inch, and it's 3-inch all the way back with Black Widow mufflers.
Black Widow. That bitch sound like ah!
Yeah. Yeah, it's not inconspicuous at all.
Right.
You can't get away from just being like, oh, that wasn't me, officer. It's like, dog, I heard you from like 2 miles away.
Right.
But yeah, I guess you're right. What do you think?
Hell yeah, I gotta have it. I got to have a Supercharged, man. Makes me smile. Screen is crazy.
Oh, fuck. Get that dip.
Yes, sir. Supercharged out.
Jump.
It definitely jumped.